So we got the Pro R lineup here. We'll start from lowest horsepower and work our way up. Machine stock makes 165 wheel on our dyno.
Hold on, we got an airplane going over. Silly airplane, get out of here.
So he's the next one to get the turbo.
So this is the one we're gonna do a full build on. This is getting a rods, pistons, big turbo, clutches, standalone. This one's getting the whole thing because this Evo exhaust just wasn't gonna do it.
The next one is our 91 tune. We have to put a head gasket in the car, but it's our full base kit there. It'll make 250 wheel horsepower.
This is on the stock clutching. LaRue clutch kit, stock belt, so just the standard stuff.
This one here makes 330 wheel. It's on 110 octane race gas, no head gasket.
It's got a STM primary clutch and a stock secondary in it with the stock belt on it. As you can see, the intercooler and everything's hidden in there. She just rolled off the dyno, gonna go play in the dirt this weekend.
The next one here is 350 wheel, has a head gasket in it, be a 110 race gas. Just a base kit, has a STM clutch in there. And the next one.
Got the old four-seater. You know what that means. 4 doors, more horse.
And this customer, Alex, he wanted loud, so we made him a custom pipe. And just use the RPM tip.
RPM got just the tip. This is the bigger turbo, stock motor as much as it can take. All the boost to the ground that the stock rods and pistons can handle.
The next one here is 500 wheel horsepower, full build of the motor, fuel system upgrade, big turbo.
So full built motor means it's got rods, pistons, stock head, stock cams, stock head bolts.
Did valves and valve springs in there as well. All BC stuff. Next one we got Matt's car. The one we started boosting back in February of last year, right? 22.
So this car's almost been boosted for almost a year now. It's made some changes back and forth, mild to wild. Currently running the big drag pipe, big filter.
650 wheel horsepower.
Still the same catch can as our more or less stock tunes do. But I think you guys they probably want to hear these things. Let's go over here and fire this guy up. Oh, we got dead battery here. As you can see, it's still cold out. 10 volts probably ain't gonna start this thing. Oh, it did. She's got slicks on it. She's ready to party. Show you some of the dash going on here. Control this, we'll give a little bit of a rev up action. So that's enough of the loud one. Let's go to the next one over here. The old 5 hundos. Let's give them a fire up. Oh, I'm gonna push on the brake for this one. As you can see, that one is definitely much quieter. Still got his sand dancing shoes on from the last trip. Don't need to rev that one, it's still cold, so we won't give her the old beating. This one's same deal, same noise. No, this one, other than just the tip. Let's fire the tip up here. Neutral, get it started. Tractor size turbo on it though. Alright, that's enough of that one. She was already warmed up. This guy here, she's stock. Sounding. This one's warmed up, we can give her a little revage. Blackies.
Watch the front tires. That's not brake standing or cheating. That's just straight flooring it.
Well, thanks for watching the Pro R lineup for this weekend. These 4 here are getting picked up, so we had to do a quick video and show what was in stock. So thanks again for watching the video.